Hi everyone, my name is Aldin Kair O. Abdullah and I'm currently 20 years old and I'm currently enrolled at Ateneo de Zamboanga University and I'm running for the position of President of the GDGOC Blue Eagle. So why did I choose this position? I chose to take on this position because I have a passion for sharing my knowledge and helping others learn. I believe that technology, AI, and other innovations have the potential to help communities move forward. And I believe this aligns with the mission of the GDGOC and the wider GDG community. Throughout our term, the GDG on campus Blue Eagle has organized several initiatives that support this mission. We had Tech Talks, where we introduce children to technology-related topics. Clickstart, where we taught ALS students about useful Google tools, and our hackathon, where technology enthusiasts came together to build innovative solutions that could help address community needs. We also collaborated with other GDG on campus chapters, which allowed us to create more opportunities for learning, collaboration, and community building, such as the DevFest, for example. For the coming year, my plan is to give GDG on campus Blue Eagle a new direction while continuing to uphold its mission. My vision is to make our community more active and visible, especially among students who are passionate about technology. One of my priorities is to strengthen our social media presence and improve how we connect and reach more students. Beyond our existing events, I also want to introduce more in-person, hands-on technology tutorials focused on topics that generally interest our members or students outside of the tech world can that can greatly benefit their own personal interests. I want to create an environment where students feel comfortable exploring, learning, and creating without feeling overwhelmed or pressured. Ultimately, my goal is to build a stronger and more welcoming GDG on campus, GDG on campus community, one where students can learn from one another, explore technology, and turn their ideas into something meaningful for the community. Thank you.